Shalom Mishpachah, Practically Live in Hebrew. Today is Wednesday and we're highlighting another woman warrior from the Bible. Our lesson comes from the book of Joshua, mainly chapter 2. There we open up with Joshua, the leader of the Israelites, sending 2 spies into the land promised by Yahuwah. The city was fortified by a large wall made of stones, and on the outskirts, there they spotted an inn. The innkeeper, Rahab, perceived immediately that they were spies sent by the Israelite. So you have to understand, the town heard about their God Yahweh. Remember, he drowned the entire army of Egyptians crossing the Red Sea when the land was dry. The town feared this powerful Israelite God as well as his army. Soon they were expecting the city of Jericho to be under siege. Rahab agreed to hide the men in exchange for her life as well as her family. You see, the people of Jericho laughed and taunted Rahab's choices in life. Society did not see her as a valuable or desirable member. She felt overlooked and hopeless. Rahab was loyal, however, to her family. After brokering such deal, she scurried the men away just before a knock on the door. It was the king's personal guard in detail. The heat was on. Rahab lied. She said she saw the 2 men, but she had no idea that they were spies. She told the king's guards that the Israelite spies left the city gates before they closed at sunset. Rahab displayed swift and courageous traits. Her entire life and lifestyle prepared her for this very moment. She didn't freeze, she secured the bag. It was the first time she lied but felt righteous. So, flashback to the spies hiding out on Rahab's rooftop, right? The guards searched the entire inn. They couldn't find the 2 men that had entered the inn. So Rahab helped the spies exit the rooftop from the upper window. Before leaving, they affirmed their covenant with Rahab and left special instructions. You see, I'm learning covenants are usually 2-way streets. You do this, I'll do this. If you don't do this, I will or I won't do that. Here's the good part. They threw her a scarlet red rope. She was instructed to place this rope on that very window from which they escaped. This would signify to the Israelites to pass over her home. Sounds familiar? She and everyone inside her home would remain safe during the siege. Imagine that. She and anyone whom she so desired to invite into her home for safety would remain safe during the horrible siege to come. Practically thinking, would you trust a hoe? Can Yahweh use a hoe? Well, in this case, Yahuwah used the Lady of the Night.